how to set up tiers in Skool. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up tiers in Skool. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to set up tiers in Skool, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Create groups. Ensure you have created the necessary groups within Skool. These could represent different access levels or tiers. Step 2. Customize member access. Set up different tiers by creating separate groups for each level like basic, advanced, and VIP. Step 3. Set permissions for each group. Customize the permissions for each group to determine what members of each tier can access, including content, resources, and interaction capabilities. Step 4. Invite members to specific tiers. Invite members to join the appropriate tier based on their subscription or role. Step 5. Automate the process. If Skool allows for automation, set up workflows or automated email sequences to manage tier upgrades or assignments. Step 6. Monitor and adjust. Continue to monitor and adjust permissions as needed to ensure each group has the proper access. So that's how you can set up tiers in Skool. That's all for this video.